Hello, hello. Hi, Danielle. Good
Hello,
evening. How are you?
how are you?
How are you? I'm good. I'm pretty good. What about you?
Mm, I good.
What did you do today? Did you celebrate Valentine's Day?
Mm, no,
Not today.
not today.
Okay. Are you going to go to have dinner or something? Yes or no? Maybe not.
I don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. Repeat.
I don't know.
Okay, okay. That's fine. It's fine. Great. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
Good evening. Hey, tell me, do you have any plan or did you do anything today?
No.
No, just staying here in the class.
Yes.
Okay,
It's my
great.
date.
That's perfect. You are my Valentine's Day too.
Ah.
Guadalupe, what about you? Did you do anything today?
Hi, good evening. No,
Not anything special. Tomorrow,
no,
maybe.
maybe.
Maybe. The ones that don't connect today, you already know, right? Los que no se conecten hoy, it's because they decided to go to the Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hey, hi, Victor.
Hi, teacher. Good night.
Hello. Good evening. Good
Good,
evening. Uh-huh.
good evening.
Yeah. Good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Did you do anything for Valentine's Day, Victor?
Sorry.
Did you do anything special for Valentine's Day?
Um, Not yet.
Later, after class.
Yes,
Oh, okay. Look, Victor
maybe.
is a romantic guy. Okay, that's great. Excellent. Guys, welcome to the class. Thank you for being here and being on time. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this day not only for love, but also for friendship, right? Good. Well, but we're going to start the class. And we're going to go here. We're going to start with the grammar review. Repeat grammar.
Grammar.
Grammar,
Grammar focus.
grammar
Grammar focus.
Okay, so today we're going to check adverbs. Repeat frequency adverbs.
Adverse.
Adverbs of frequency. Repeat.
adverbs
Adverb
of
of
Adverse of
frequency.
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 Of frequency. Frequency.
Frequency.
Uh-huh. So when do we use the adverbs of frequency, guys?
Every day.
Mm, but how or what for? Uh-huh. Do you have any idea? Check it, read it. You have 1 minute for reading it. And tell me if you have any idea. Welcome, Walter. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, classmate,
Good
teacher.
evening. Welcome, welcome, Marta. Hi.
Welcome. Thank you. Good evening a
Good
todos.
evening. Everyone.
Everyone.
Okay. Good. You check it already? Now, any idea when do we use the frequency adverbs?
Um, ¿Cómo?
When time, time.
Yeah,
Está bien.
to express the frequency or
Okay.
how or like how much you do something. For example, guys, if I ask you, how often do you take a shower? Why do you think it, guys?
Always.
How often? Ah, of course. I always take a shower, right? Uh-huh. Hey, how often do you drink beers?
Hardly never.
Hardly ever. Never, I hope.
Never, never.
Okay. Well, this is to express, how often do you do it, right? In the time. So let's listen to this explanation, guys. Pay attention, and later we're gonna check it. Give me a second. Okay.
Page,
Oopsie.
page 61. Exercise 7. Grammar focus. Adverbs of frequency.
I always eat breakfast.
Repeat. I always eat breakfast.
I always
Always
eat breakfast.
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 Very good.
I usually eat breakfast.
I usually eat breakfast.
I
I
usually
usually eat
breakfast.
breakfast.
Very good. Now let's listen to it
I
complete.
often eat breakfast.
I sometimes eat.
I often eat breakfast.
I
I
often
I
eat
often eat
breakfast.
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 I hardly ever eat breakfast.
I hardly ever eat breakfast.
I
I
hardly
hardly ever eat breakfast.
I never eat breakfast.
I never eat breakfast.
I
I
never
never eat breakfast.
Sometimes I eat breakfast.
Sometimes I eat breakfast.
Sometimes I eat breakfast.
Very good.
Do you ever have fish for breakfast?
Do you ever have a fish for breakfast?
Do you ever have fish for
breakfast?
eat for breakfast.
Yes, I always do.
Yes.
Yes,
I always do.
Yes, I always
Okay.
do.
Sometimes I do.
sometimes
I do.
Sometimes I do.
No, I never do.
No, I never do.
I never do.
I never do.
Always.
Repeat. Always.
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 Usually.
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 Often.
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 Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever.
Never.
Hardly ever.
Never.
Page
Never.
61.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you, guys. Now we're going to see the complement of this. Okay. We're going to check here the adverbs of frequency. Give me a second. Okay. Help me reading, Amy. Adverbs of frequency.
Adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verb. Always, almost, always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, almost never, never. She never eats breakfast. I almost always have tea in the morning. Sometimes can also begin a sentence. Sometimes I eat broccoli.
Very good job. Excellent, guys. So, super cool. Basically, guys, we are going to be using the adverbs of frequency to express 100% of frequency or 0% of frequency. Yeah, you go like this. Yep. You have some sentences here. Check it. Walter, can you read the instructions? Rewrite.
Rewrite the conversation, add the adverbs in the correct place.
Okay, perfect. So I want you to make the sentences in the correct form. For example, in the number 1 says, where do you have lunch? But you have to add usually. What is the correct form, guys? Where?
And
Where
do you usually
do
have
you
lunch?
usually have
Where
lunch?
do you usually have lunch? So you have to do the same with the next part of the conversation. Are you ready? Yes,
But
are you ready to work on this?
Okay.
But the answer is I go too often.
No,
A restaurant.
you are not going to answer. No la vas a responder. You are going to rewrite it. La vas a reescribir agregándole el frequency adverb.
I often.
No. Si te fijas, in the number 1, in the letter A, it says, where do you have lunch? Y te dice entre paréntesis usually, right? So, in your work is to rewrite it, reescribirla o reformarla, agregando usually.
Okay.
Okay? Very good.
It's homework or
No, we're gonna do it for practice right now. I'm gonna give you the chance to do it in pairs. You can write it or only speak, but I want you to understand how to do it, okay? That's my purpose right now. So I'm gonna send you to breakup rooms. Please take a screenshot. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
yes.
Let's go. Let's go here. Okay. Hello, Rosa, right?
Hello.
Rosa,
Hello,
¿verdad?
teacher.
Yeah, right? It's because it says Idalia. Who is Idalia? Who is
Sorry.
Idalia? Okay, I'm gonna
Sorry.
send you to the breakup rooms. They are practicing right now. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Welcome. How are you going, guys?
¿Qué?
How are you going
¿Alguien
here?
habló?
Yes, me?
Ah,
Easy
Ahí
or
voy.
difficult?
em,
¿Qué? Vamos a ver qué dice. Ay, Ajá. I go.
Chicas, how are you going? Easy? Do you need help?
yes, I need
Okay, how can I help you?
in the letter B, it's I often go to a restaurant near
Mhm.
work. Okay.
You said the letter B.
It's a letter B.
I often.
I often go to a restaurant near work.
Correct.
What means often in Spanish?
Often means a menudo.
A menudo.
Mhm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo a menudo voy al restaurante. Okay. Do you...
No,
What are you doing, guys? Is it easy or difficult?
hardly ever. Ya casi finish.
Almost finished. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great.
It's difficult.
It's kind of difficult.
Yes.
Okay. Let's try. I mean, at least you're trying. And then we're going to check it if it is correct or not.
Okay. Vamos por la.
I hardly ever stay. Or stay hardly ever.
Hardly ever
I
in college.
hardly ever stay.
I hardly ever stay. What the
Ajá.
meaning?
I hardly-
What the meaning of stay?
Stay.
Stay. Maybe I think.
It's like, it is like
Stay.
permanecer o quedar. Permanecerse o quedar. Okay, guys, very good. I see that you were like trying to figure it out. I really like that you are giving your best here. Now, let's check the answers. The first one, the letter B. I
often go to
I
a
often-
restaurant near work.
Yeah, turn on the cameras, please. Turn the cameras
I go
on.
too often.
I go too often? Are you sure?
I go to a restaurant near work.
Yes or no, guys?
No.
No, the correct answer is this one. Look, I often. Yes, repeat. I often go to a restaurant near work.
I often go to a restaurant near work.
Very good. And the letter A, the next one. Do you eat at your desk? And you use ever.
Oh,
Do you ever eat at your desk?
at your desk.
Yes or no? Help me with the cameras, please, please, please,
Yes.
please.
Do you
Yes.
ever eat at your desk?
Let's see. Sorry, it's not that
Yes.
one, it's this one.
Do you ever eat at your desk?
Do you ever? Yeah, good job. Excellent. Repeat. Do you ever eat at your desk?
Do you
Do
ever
you
eat
Do you
at your
ever
desk?
eat at your desk?
Great. And the letter B?
No, Hardly ever I stay in for lunch.
Okay, no, hardly ever I stay in for lunch. Yes?
Yes,
Correct or incorrect, guys?
correct.
Let's see. Oh, no, almost. No,
Uh,
everybody repeat, no.
No,
No.
I hardly ever stay in
I
for
I
lunch.
hardly
hardly.
for
I
lunch.
hardly ever stay in for lunch.
Great. And the letter A, the next one, and what do you have?
And what do you usually?
And what
Usually we have.
Aha, very good job. What do you
Usually we have.
usually have? Everybody, what do you usually have?
And
Usually
what
do
do
you
you
have?
Very good.
and what do you?
Usually have. And the next, I have soup or salad.
Nice.
I always
Always.
have
Nice.
soup or salad.
Yes, good job there. And the last one, me too.
Me too. I never have a big lunch.
lunch.
Very good. Hey guys, you are doing excellent. Applause for you. Good, 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 good.
I have a
Now,
question.
tell me, Guadalupe, what's your question?
Why in the number 2 se sustituye el go por el often? ¿Por qué?
No, you don't replace it.
Complement.
You complement it. I often go.
Okay. Okay.
I often go because you always need a verb. If you don't have a verb, it doesn't make sense. Understand?
Entonces, el adjetivo va
No,
antes de,
the adverb.
perdón, el adverbio va antes que el verbo.
Yeah, most of the times it goes before. Except sometimes. Sometimes you can use it at the beginning.
No,
For example.
And no, I hardly ever stay in for lunch. No.
No, that one goes before the verb. I said that you can use sometimes to start a sentence, to begin the sentence. Example, sometimes I take a shower before sleeping. Yeah? Also, I can say, I sometimes take a shower before sleeping. Both ways are correct with sometimes. You understand?
o sea que de ambas formas es correcto
With sometimes.
el uso de,
Solo con sometimes. With the other ones, no.
okay.
Okay, perfect. Now, I want you to think about something. We're going to have an exercise. And I want you to type in the chat. I'm going to show you the following. Okay, I'm going to show you this. This one. And I want you to think about your life, your daily routine. Yeah, and you have to give me sentences using this. I am going to say the adverb. For example, I will say always, usually, often, and you have to type a sentence. For example, tell me an adverb, guys. Whatever one. Whatever you have there. Tell me one.
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever. Okay, very good. Yeah, I can tell you that I hardly ever visit my best friend. Yes, I typed it and I send it on the chat. A sentence using hardly ever. Yep. Understand? Okay, let's do the practice. The last one to send it is gonna lose points. The first one to send it is going to get a point. I'm going to write their points over here in my magic agenda. Okay. If you are the first one, you get a point. If you are the last one, you got a -1. Are you ready?
I read.
Are you ready? Marta, turn on your camera, please. Turn your camera on.
I
Alice,
not understand.
you don't understand.
Sí.
Okay. Let's see. Can you help me explaining what you understood? Guadalupe. You can use a Spanglish.
Why?
Can you explain what you understood?
Que le explique la estructura.
Lo que tú entendiste que vamos a hacer ahorita.
Que usted nos va a dar como una palabra y tenemos que escribirla en el chat y si está correcta o somos de los primeros vamos a tener un punto y si somos de los últimos menos un punto.
Okay. Only a
No,
question.
quiero
Question.
quedarte bien.
¿Vas a escribir la palabra? Are you going to write the word or a sentence?
The sentence.
A sentence. Using the word I said. Okay, understand? Alice? Ahora sí, Alice? Try, Alice. Inténtelo, okay? You need to try. Mistakes are okay. Si te equivocas, no pasa nada. It's okay. I help you then, okay? Let's see the first one. Never. 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 Let's see. I don't see sentences, guys. Never. Type a sentence. I have the first one. Who was the first one here? Oopsie. Vector. Victor, you got 1 point right now. Let's see if they are correct. I never eat fish. I never drink coffee with milk. Okay. I never drink coffee. Oh my gosh. But yeah. Dania, I never eat parrots. I never eat pupusas. Daniel, come on. Alice, what is yours? What is yours? Alice, mande su sentence, mande su oración. Who else is missing? Well, no, I look at it already. Ajá. Alice, only yours is missing. Solo la suya falta. Marta? Ah, Rosa was missing too. Okay. I have always chicken. No. Eliminate have. Borrémosle el have. Only I always eat chicken. Only that. Alice. Alice. Su oración, Alice. ¿Dónde está su oración? Where is it?
Es que no oí nada, se me había cerrado la sesión.
Ah, okay. I said, give me a sentence using never. Póngala, usted póngala. Voy a decir la otra, pero póngala. Next. Give me a sentence using always. Always.
Sí, yo sé cómo es always, pero
Give me a sentence. Using always. I got the first one. Hey, me, you got a point. Always, Alice. Always. I always eat chicken. I always drink water. I always run in the morning. And the others? I'm missing Vector, Daniel, Marta, Flor. I know Flor, Rosa, I'm sorry, Rosa sent it already. Good, good, good.
Sorry. Se me atravesó en el teclado la palabra have.
Oh, okay, okay. The others? Victor? What is your sound? You send it. I always drink water. Thank you. Good, good, good. Daniel, what is your example, Daniel? Come on. I always, and the verb? Daniel? What is the verb?
Always.
Always. That is the adverb. And the
Okay.
verb? You have to correct it. Corrijámosla. Marta, good. La sentence está bien, pero always se escribe con A. Okay? Always. Like that. Así se escribe, okay? Good.
Okay.
Excellent, guys. Now let's go with the next one. Give me an example using sometimes. Go. Always drink coffee. Thank you, Walter. You were the last one. Oh, no, you corrected. No, you were the last one. Sometimes I sleep for 12 hours. Great. Good job. Hey, Jamie has 2 points already. I sometimes run in a park. Okay. The others? Where are the other ones? I sometimes play video games. Sometimes I drink green tea. Another one. Okay. Great. Okay, good job, Alice. Excellent. But you were the last one. Hey, the last one. This is the last sentence. You're going to use right now hardly ever. Go. Hardly ever. Hardly ever.
Pero no sé qué significa hardly.
What is the meaning of hardly ever, guys?
Ya.
What is the meaning of hardly ever?
Casi nunca.
Casi nunca, Ali.
Okay.
Hardly ever. You finish? I only see 3 people and the others? Guys, type. I hardly ever play soccer. I hardly ever eat at work, you can say, at work. I hardly ever visit my parents. No, hardly ever. Okay, instead of no, póngame I. I hardly ever drink Coca-Cola.
Sí, el ahí se me olvidó.
Okay, don't forget it. Hey guys, good. Let's see. I'm missing some of you. I'm missing Walter. I'm missing also Rosa. Guadalupe got a point here. Good job. Okay, excellent, guys. Thank you so much. I see that it's not difficult for you to use it. Very easy, right? Yes or yes? Super easy. Yeah, right. Excellent. Guys, look, we're going to close the session here because we have to reopen it. Okay, so once it closes, you open again. Yep.